Hey guys, need to update the video what to do, how to get started. So you've just received your invite link. First things first, keep that invite link safe. Use it every month to come back to the latest version, because that is a link to this live version which we use to put the updates on. So you'll always be coming into the latest version then. So the first thing you need to do is make it your own. So you make a copy and you can call that the current month and date. August trades 2017 as an example. Here we go. So that gives you full privacy. No one has access unless you give them access up here, but it's fully yours from that point. Also, personally, I like to just move the sheet one out the way so that when you open it afresh, you'll be opening it onto the trade tab. Okay, so first things first, make sure you've got the correct date up here, and we're in August, so that's correct. And the next thing you need to do is activate the scripts, and what they do is import all the coin prices so they stay updated from Poloniex, Bittrex, and then the latest one, generic, which is actually data from CoinMarketCap. So the way you do that is Tools, Script Editor. Once you're in that new tab, you need to run Create Triggers, and that does everything for you. Now then, you need to give it permission, and Google here are applying some safety measures, because as with Excel and their macros, Google scripts can hide all sorts of hidden dangers, if you like. So always be careful, and this is reminding you to be careful. We've had our code audited by a third party. There's no hidden nasties in there, and of course you don't actually have any link to your exchange accounts. There's no API links whatsoever, so you are fully safe, and you are welcome to have the code audited as well. It's pretty straightforward actually. Okay, so you need to click advanced and click here and then type the word continue. They made it a lot more difficult lately, but I guess there's a reason for it. So then you are allowing it to have access and edit the spreadsheet and whatnot. So like I say, what this is doing is updating the prices, and the other thing it does is every day, that's done now, that's it. So you can now close this tab. One little note while we're on this page, at the end of the month, make sure you go to edit, current project triggers. Here's all the triggers it's set up, and just delete them all. Boom, 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 save. And the reason you do that is so that when you go back and do accounting, and maybe you want to do year-end accounting and see the charts of your performance each month, the charts will stay clean. So one of the functions that's happening in here is it's recording your US dollar and Bitcoin totals each month. So let's go back to this new sheet here. We'll go on to the trade page. Yeah, so this chart down here, this one and this one, you'll see once you start using the spreadsheet, you'll see the equivalent BTC value of your overall portfolio and the equivalent US dollar value of your overall portfolio grow and decrease throughout the month, and it builds out a nice chart. So the way it does that is that goes into chart data, you'll see you don't need to use this page at all. It just starts entering, so the script that you've just activated actually tells it to take a snapshot each day and put it in there, and that's how those charts build out. Okay, that's all you need to get started. Look at the other videos for how to enter your trades and how to enter your sales and partial sales and everything like that. Of course, fire over any questions you might have, and number one way of contacting me is this Telegram support channel. You'll always get the fastest response times there. Okay, hope this is helpful, and let me know any feedback. Thank you. Bye bye.